Okay, guys, let's get started. So in today's session, we will do um, point number 1, device limit restriction. So how many devices one user can enroll? That's the limit, maximum limit. How many devices a user can enroll?
Five.
So when you go to devices at the left hand side, and then you have one option called um, let me go to Windows, and then Windows enrollment, and we have device limit restriction. When you click on device limit restriction, right, one user can enroll up to 5 devices. That's the maximum limit right now, but you can increase that to 15. If you would like to increase that, you can increase up to 15, or decrease. If you would like to decrease that, you can decrease up to 1, between 1 to 15. Okay, clear? That's the device limit restriction. Point number 2, device platform restriction. Platform, which platform? Android operating system, iOS, Windows. You can limit the restriction. So you can come to devices, and then Windows, and then Windows enrollment, and then we have device platform restriction. So right now we have not created any restriction. That's the reason it's allowed. Give me 1 minute, please. Give me 1 minute, guys. Okay.
Hi guys, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah,
you are late.
I know. Sorry. Thank you. Anyways.
Yeah, kidding, man.
Yeah.
On autopilot, how many hours you took for you?
Sorry, guys. What's today's topic? I'm a little late. So
The device limit restriction and device platform restriction.
oh,
Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry. So device platform restriction. So let me click on device platform restriction. So we don't have any restriction. So if you would like to have a restriction, you can create restriction. Okay, or if you would like to see what all restrictions are there, you can click on this all user properties and edit. So right now we don't have any restriction for Android. You see, if you would like to block, you can block. If you would like to block the personal devices, you can block. If you would like to block the minimum and maximum, version, uh, suppose I would like to, user needs to have minimum 11.0 operating system. If anybody using 11 less than 11.0, they will not be able to enroll their devices. It will say your device is not compatible. Okay. Similarly, if you don't want Android device administrator, you can block. iPad, iOS, Mac, Windows, you have these options to block, unblock. Depends on you what restriction you would like to create. Okay. So that is enrollment restriction. Okay. Clear? Then we have CNAME validation. CNAME validation is to test the domain. Suppose your domain is abc.com. So you can test the domain. You have not purchased this domain, but in case if you have purchased and you have already validated here, then you can test, and that is gonna test give you the successful message. Right now we have not added this domain here. That's the reason it says it's not configured or configured incorrectly. So point number 3 is CNAME validation. Then Windows Hello for Business. Windows Hello for Business is for using multi-factor authentication. Okay. So right now it's not configured. You can configure that, enable. So sign in, TPM required. If you want the machine to have the TPM, so you choose required, otherwise preferred is okay. Now sign in PIN, how many um, digit user can use to set up his PIN, to log into the device. Minimum 4 digit, for example. So user can log in with 4 digit PIN. User can set 4 digit PIN. Otherwise, user will have to set 6 digit PIN. That's the default option. Okay. Then uppercase not needed, lowercase not needed. PIN expiration, when the PIN will get expired? Never. PIN will not get expired. Then remember PIN history if you would like to remember. Otherwise, that's everything will remain as it is, and then you click on save. So Windows Hello for Business, it will ask user to set up the PIN. Okay, and the PIN will be 4 digit PIN minimum. Minimum 4 digit PIN. Okay. Devices we have already seen, deployment profile we have already seen, enrollment status page we have already seen these things. Now then we have tenant administration, and in tenant administration we go to customization. Customization, you can modify the company portal appearance. Company portal will, you know, come in different format. If you would like to, you know, redesign company portal, so you edit the setting here, and you can put the name of the company. So for example, it is Anil Private Limited. The company name is Anil Private Limited. Okay, and then you can choose the color. Which color? Blue color or red color, orange? Let me give green color. The company portal will come in green color, and the name and logo, both of them will show up. Okay, and you can give the logo here. Whatever the company logo you have, you can upload the logo here. Okay, I'm not going into logos and all, but these options are available to you. Now
Where we
support
can see
uh,
where we can see these company details.
in company portal.
Okay.
In company, right now it's coming in blue color, right? But when we change that to green color, it will come in green color.
Oh.
Okay, contact name, for example, IT support. Phone number, phone number, um, What will be the phone number? Email address, IT support at anil.com. Okay, website name, Anil site, https://anil.com. Okay, review plus save. Okay, you have to give the URL. URL https:// anil.com, review plus save and save. So company portal will appear in a different format now. I'll show you. Right now it's saying Avani, right? But it will change. Let me close company portal
Sync.
and open again. You see green
Okay.
color, Anil Private Limited, right? And when you go to help plus support, you see Anil number, contact, email address, Anil website, those things are coming up. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that's customization. Then you have organizational message. In case if you would like to send organizational message from Intune to the devices, then you can send taskbar message, you can send notification area message, you can send get started app message. These are the options available to you. I'm not going into details. Company portal customization. Organizational message. Okay, so suppose if you would like to send taskbar message, you can click on message and accept the license terms and condition, confirm. You need to have license basically for this Windows 10 or Windows 11 enterprise license. Taskbar message will go like this. User will receive pop-up message like this. Okay, taskbar message. If you don't want taskbar notification area message, then user will get a pop-up like this, notification area message. Or get started app, user will get a pop-up like this. So there are three types of messages which you can give it to the users. Then you have custom notification. This is for Android operating system, not for Windows. So let's say welcome message. Whenever somebody is enrolling their devices, any Android devices, they will receive a welcome message. Welcome to Anil Private Limited. Next, and add group. Suppose I would like to deploy this message to all the people who are in India user. These are not very important topics, guys. That's the reason I'm not giving more focus on this one. So custom notification I have shown you. Then we have terms and condition. You can create terms and condition. User will have to accept the terms and condition. So terms and condition. Okay, terms and condition. Next, and then I would like to deploy this to all user. Next, create custom notification, terms and condition. Okay, so user will have to accept the terms and condition. I'll show you how user will have to do that. When user opens company portal, it will ask user to accept the terms and condition. You see, terms and condition. User will have to accept the terms and condition. Okay. So when you click on terms and condition, at the left hand side you have acceptance reporting. Here you will see how many people have accepted your terms and condition. Right now it's not showing up, but basically you will be able to see after a few minutes that one person has accepted the terms and condition. Okay. All good, guys? Everyone? So far clear?
Yes.
Okay, Arun, you there?
Yes, I am, Kashif.
What is the status of
My machine.
labs?
So, uh, actually, I have to delete those two machines and recreate a couple other machines. So,
I think for
kind
me
of,
it's completed. Sure.
Yeah, BitLocker is done for you.
Mm.
Yeah,
um,
labs is not yet done, right?
no. You want me to
Okay,
share my machine?
now that's okay. We will meet tomorrow and see the status.
Actually, I would like to get some help if I can, because at this point, I am missing everything from my Intune portal.
Share your screen. You are not logged in with the proper account.
That's why. Stay six. There we go. I got scared for a minute. So I created these two brand new machine,
Mm,
and they're going through auto configuration, and so
yeah. Okay.
yeah,
Okay, we'll stop right here. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay.
right, sir.
Any question from anyone? Anil, you need to send the notes to everyone.
Sure. Now, what about that ham or something, right? It will give the password.
Huh?
Yesterday we did, right? Pam, like a password will change, right, every time.
Lapse.
Lapse, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where we can see that is working fine or not.
You haven't applied that one. When you apply that, then you will be able to see it. Okay.
Like while
Kashi,
my doubt is like BitLock encryption is completed, right?
BitLocker
So,
is done. So BitLocker, we are able to see it here at the left hand side of the device.
okay.
Okay.
When we are restarting, it will ask password, right?
It's
Correct.
it's not mandatory. When somebody changes the hard disk, hardware of the device, then it will ask for the, let's say you um, open the laptop. After opening the laptop, you change the hardware configuration. Then when you start the machine, it will ask for the BitLocker key. Okay.
Yeah.
Kashif, I have
What
one
was
more
the
question.
password of what was the password of that one? I am asking actually.
Which password?
BitLocker password where we can
With
get.
BitLocker password. Show him, Arun. Yesterday we
Actually,
have all.
my yeah, but my machines are brand new, so they're still going through.
I know, but give me control.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yesterday we have already seen that BitLocker. I don't know whether you were there or not in
No,
yesterday's session.
we
So when
open that computer, then we can see the key.
901, yes, 901, and then recovery key is right here,
Yeah.
and then show recovery key. This is the recovery key. So when you start the machine, anytime it might ask for the recovery pin. So when you booting up the machine at the initial level, when you turn on the machine, it will ask you to enter the pin. So you have to enter this pin, 48 digit character long pin.
Yeah. Is there any chance in my like organization, it is asking the set pin, but we gave the six pin numbers, then it is asking always like that.
Yes, yes, that option is also available, but I disable that option. I don't want that option to be there.
Okay.
Okay. So yesterday when we created that policy, I disabled that option. Got it? So
Kashif,
you, uh,
i- is it possible if you can show me how to add machines in the group? I was having a little bit of hard time when I tried to
how
add a
to
new machine.
add a machine in a group?
Yes.
Simply click on any group
Yeah.
and then go to member and add member. Simple as that.
And that's it, huh?
You go to devices
Okay.
and then choose the machine you want to add.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye now. Bye everyone.